Alright, this is my 2015 ID Parts Cold Start contest entry. This is 05 Liberty CRD. She broke the timing belt, and with ID Parts supplied me with the kit, the timing belt kit, the water pump, idlers, ARP head studs, head gasket. Temperature right now, phone is showing 2 degrees. Wind chill of -9, and to prove I don't have a block heater plugged in, or that I started this a little bit ago or nothing. Manifold's reading 2 degrees. Valve cover 5 degrees, probably because the sun's been on it. A little bit about it real quick. Like I said, when the timing belt went, I ditched a factory turbo. I went with a Garrett ball bearing and billet turbo. It's got a full 3-inch exhaust with a magnaflow through flow muffler. She's got a nice nice exhaust note to her, so let's see what she'll do. I got one plug out. It's under one glow plug, so it might start, it might not. She runs rough when she starts.